I've been writing C++ professionally for over a decade. I thought I knew the major features. Take this standard builder pattern. It looks clean, it compiles perfectly, but it allows an unaware developer to do this. We just send the request twice, or if send moved internal resources, your program just crashed at runtime. This is a ticking time bomb in your API. Usually we fix this with runtime checks, adding ugly boolean flags like isSend and throwing exceptions. That is runtime overhead. Why can't the compiler just stop us from making this mistake? Well, it turns out it can. And honestly, I missed this feature for 10 years. You can add double ampersands to the end of a member function declaration. This is called a Ref-Qualifier, and it completely changes the rules of engagement for this method. If you're confused, here is the mental model. An L value is an object with a name, like our variable rec. It sits at a permanent address, it's safe. An R value is a temporary. It's an object that is about to die at the end of the line. Nobody else can possibly own it. By adding ampersand, we tell the compiler only unlock this function if the object is a temporary R value that is about to be destroyed. Watch what happens to our buggy code. Bang! Compiler error. The compiler forbids us from calling send because rec is an L value that might be used again. The bug is now impossible to write. We moved safety from runtime to compile time. If you really want to send this named object, you must explicitly cast it to an R value with std_move. And the best part? It's zero overhead. It exists purely in the compiler's type checker, no runtime cost. Now a warning. Because this is C++, you can still shoot yourself in the foot if you try hard enough. Remember, std_move doesn't actually move anything, it doesn't generate code, it is just a cast. It tells the compiler, treat this variable as a temporary. So yes, you can force the compiler to call this twice by casting it twice, but at that point you're lying to the compiler. Using std_move signals intent. You're explicitly saying, I'm done with this object, consume it, and that is a contract the compiler helps you enforce. I'm building a whole library of these advanced C++ features that most of us missed. If you want to master modern C++ instead of just writing it, subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive.